In this video, I'll show you how to configure Kali Linux inside VMware Workstation Pro. Since we're building our local lab, the first thing we need to do is assign an IP address to Kali so it can communicate with other systems on the network. Open the terminal in Kali Linux. First, I'll increase the font size so it's easier to see. Just press Ctrl, Shift, and plus on your keyboard. Now, type the command sudo su. This gives us administrative privileges so we can make system-level changes. The default password here is Kali. Next, we'll edit the network configuration file by typing this command. This command opens the Interfaces file using the Nano text editor, where we can manually set up or modify network settings for our system. Once the file opens, we're going to add a few lines to assign an IP address. Type the following commands. Here, ETH0 is set to use DHCP, which means it will automatically get an IP address from the network, while ETH1 is assigned a static IP address. That's the one we'll use for local communication. When you're done, press Ctrl+O to save the changes, then press Enter, and finally, Ctrl+X to exit the editor. If you want to check whether your changes were saved correctly, use the cat command. Type cat, and then the folder address. This will display the contents of that file right in your terminal. Once our network configuration is done, the next step is to update Kali to make sure everything is up to date. Type the command apt-update-y and press Enter. This command will update all the package lists and repositories. It might take a few minutes, so be patient. After the update finishes, we'll upgrade all the installed packages. Type apt-upgrade-y and press Enter. This will download and install the latest versions of your packages. It usually takes longer than the update process, so just let it run until it's done. If you see any errors, or if some packages weren't upgraded, don't worry. Just run the same command again, and it should fix the issue. And that's it. Your Kali Linux is now fully configured, updated, and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.